What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a go. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
Okay, y'all, so in today's video, we're going to be working with Pizazz hair. This is my first time ever working with this company, first time ever hearing about this company. The first time around, I'm really impressed by how thin the lace is, how good the knots bleeds, and how full this hair is. I received, I believe, 22 or 24 inch of 220 density curly hair in the color Burgundy. And y'all, this hair is fire. I highly recommend this hair for all my girlies. And another thing, when I first received the wig was already pre-plucked. It's gonna be right here on the camera. I honestly did, I said right here on the camera, it's gonna be right here, somewhere right here on the screen. I really didn't have to pluck, but you guys know I always go ahead and do my extra plucking. And y'all, I love this hair. 220 density, y'all, and I honestly don't even feel heavy or anything like that. My head doesn't feel too hot, nothing. It feels real light, but y'all, you can see the thickness in this curly hair. Like I said, this is 22 or 24 inches, y'all. This hair is real long. Yeah, I'm jacking it. Shout out to Pizazz hair. I want to thank them for sending me this bomb wig, and like I said, I would highly recommend this hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The same exact link will be down below. And if you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Bye.